Namaskar World and Happy Dashain 2024. Festivals are a time of joy, celebration and feasting. For many of us, especially during big festivals, meat becomes an essential part of the menu. But today, let's dive into the important aspects of meat consumption during festivals. We'll discuss everything from types of meat, health benefits, risks, and how to make healthier choices. Stay with us, because this information could change the way you look at your festive meals. First, let's start with red meat. Red meat refers to meat that comes from mammals, and it gets its red name from the high levels of myoglobin in the muscle tissues. Examples of red meat include goat, buffalo, lamb, and pork. These are popular choices during festivals due to their rich taste. Next, we have white meat, which comes primarily from poultry like chicken, duck, and turkey. White meat tends to have less fat than red meat, making it a healthier option. Many people enjoy chicken and fish dishes during festivals, and these can be a great alternative. Processed meat refers to meat that has been preserved by smoking, curing, salting, or adding preservatives. Examples include sausages, salami, ham, and hot dogs. While these are often convenient and tasty, especially during celebrations, they come with certain health risks. Meat, especially lean meat, is a fantastic source of high-quality protein. It's rich in important nutrients like iron, zinc, and B vitamins. Meat is one of the main sources of vitamin B12 in the diet. These nutrients are vital for building muscles, producing energy, and maintaining a healthy immune system. According to experts, adults should aim for about 70 grams of cooked meat per day. This helps to balance the benefits of meat consumption while avoiding potential health risks. Eating too much red or processed meat can increase the risk of heart disease, certain cancers like colorectal cancer, and other chronic conditions. It's essential to moderate consumption, especially during festive times when overindulgence is common. To stay healthy, the World Health Organization recommends limiting red meat consumption to no more than 500 grams per week. That means about 70 to 90 grams per day. Meats high in saturated fat, such as fatty cuts of pork, can raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Opting for leaner cuts and trimming visible fat is a simple way to reduce this risk. Liver is highly nutritious, packed with vitamin A, iron, and folate. It's considered a superfood in many cultures and is often consumed during festivals for its health benefits. Liver is particularly rich in vitamin A, which is essential for vision, immune function, and skin health. It also contains a good amount of iron and B vitamins, important for preventing anemia. However, consuming too much liver can be risky, especially for postmenopausal women, pregnant women, and older men due to its high vitamin A content. Excess vitamin A of more than 1.5 milligrams or 1,500 micrograms per day from food and supplements over many years can lead to toxicity and increase the risk of bone fractures. Pregnant women should avoid liver and liver products because they contain a lot of vitamin A, which can harm their unborn baby and cause birth defects. During pregnancy, it's important to ensure that any meat consumed is thoroughly cooked to avoid risks of foodborne illnesses like listeriosis and toxoplasmosis. Pregnant women should also limit their intake of processed meats due to the high levels of preservatives. Making healthier choices when buying meat can make a big difference. When you're at the store, always look for lean cuts with less visible fat. Also, consider organic or free-range options when available, as they may have better nutritional profiles and are raised without antibiotics. Cutting down on fat when cooking meat is simpler than you might think. Simple cooking techniques can make your meat healthier. Grilling, baking, or steaming rather than frying can significantly reduce the amount of fat in your meals. And trimming visible fat before cooking is also a smart move. Storing meat safely is crucial to avoid contamination. Store raw meat at the bottom of your refrigerator to prevent juices from contaminating other foods. Ensure it's tightly sealed and always check expiration dates. When freezing meat, wrap it tightly to prevent freezer burn. Be sure to label and date the packages, and use them within the recommended freezing time for optimal freshness. It's important to prepare and cook food safely. Cooking meat properly ensures that harmful bacteria on the meat are killed. If meat is not cooked all the way through, these bacteria may cause food poisoning. Make sure to cook meat to an internal temperature of 75 degrees Celsius or 167 degrees Fahrenheit or above to kill harmful bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli. In conclusion, festivals are a time for celebration, and enjoying meat is often a part of that. However, it's important to consume it mindfully. By making healthier choices, being cautious about portion sizes, and following safe cooking practices, you can enjoy the festive spirit while protecting your health. Thank you for watching and enjoy your festivals. This video is brought to you by Dr. Rajdeep Bahadur Khatri. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay informed and stay healthy. See you next time.